Power outages are more than an inconvenience. They can bring business operations to a halt, impact customer satisfaction, and result in significant financial losses. Whether you're running a hospital, data center, manufacturing facility, or office complex, a commercial generator is a critical investment in continuity and resilience. But before buying a generator, there are several important factors to evaluate to ensure the unit that you choose meets your business's needs, both now and in the future. Before buying a generator, start by assessing your facility's electrical load. This includes identifying which systems and equipment need to stay powered during an outage, such as lighting, HVAC, refrigeration, security systems, data servers, elevators, etc. A professional load analysis will help calculate the total kilowatts required for seamless operation during a power loss. It's essential to plan not just for today's needs, but also for potential future growth, as this generator could provide your business with a backup power source for over 20 years. Commercial generators typically run on diesel, natural gas, or propane. Each has its pros and cons. Diesel is known for reliability and long engine life, but requires regular fuel maintenance. Natural gas is convenient and clean burning, but depends on utility supply, which may not be available in all locations. Propane has a long shelf life and is cleaner than diesel, but requires on-site storage and may be more expensive in the long term. There are also options for dual fuel, bi-fuel, and tri-fuel powered generators. Choosing the right location for your commercial generator installation is a critical step that directly affects safety, performance, and compliance. Depending on your facility's layout and operational needs, you may opt for an indoor installation, an outdoor pad-mounted unit, or a trailer-mounted generator for mobility. Each option comes with its own set of pros and cons. For example, indoor installations demand strict attention to exhaust routing, ventilation, and clearance to prevent overheating and ensure proper airflow. Outdoor units must be housed in weatherproof, sound-attenuated enclosures to protect against the elements and reduce noise levels in accordance with local noise ordinances. Regardless of the setup, proper spacing around the generator is essential for maintenance access and fire safety. Building codes, electrical codes, environmental regulations, and permitting requirements will heavily influence your generator placement. Fuel storage must also meet code requirements for containment, access, and distance from structures. Security is another major consideration. The unit should be accessible for routine service, but protected from unauthorized access or vandalism. Even if you're replacing an existing generator, don't assume the old location still meets current codes. Updates to building and electrical codes or changes to your building's infrastructure may not allow a direct replacement. An automatic transfer switch seamlessly shifts your power source from the grid to the generator during an outage. Choosing the right type of ATS is critical for ensuring safety, compliance, and uninterrupted operations. If your business can't afford even a split-second power loss, the transfer switch becomes a crucial part of your system design. Buying a generator system represents a significant capital investment, so it's critical to make a well-informed decision. With the wide array of commercial generator options on the market today, it can be overwhelming to determine which system is the best fit for your business. Some models offer enhanced fuel efficiency, others prioritize ultra-low emissions, and many feature extended warranties or increased reliability for mission-critical operations. Pricing can vary considerably depending on the brand, size, and included technology, so it's essential to look beyond the sticker price and consider the total cost of ownership over the generator's lifespan. To make the right choice, partner with a generator vendor who takes the time to understand your facility's operational priorities, risk tolerance, and budget constraints. Weld Power Generator can provide multiple equipment options from a range of trusted manufacturers, helping you weigh the pros and cons of each based on your specific needs. Whether your focus is long-term reliability, energy efficiency, or maximizing value, our diverse portfolio and industry expertise can guide you toward a generator solution that aligns with your business goals. Buying a commercial generator isn't just about the unit itself. It also involves site prep, installation, electrical, plumbing, fuel supply, and storage. Weld Power Generator offers turnkey solutions and can manage the entire project from start to finish, saving you time, money, and stress. A generator is only as reliable as the maintenance plan behind it. Weld Power Generator provides comprehensive maintenance and support services designed to keep your generator system operating at peak performance year-round. Our preventative maintenance programs include routine fluid and filter changes, load bank testing, and in-depth fluid sampling and analysis to detect issues before they lead to failure. We also perform thorough inspections of transfer switches to ensure seamless power transitions when they matter most. For diesel systems, our fuel polishing services help maintain fuel quality and prevent injector and engine damage. In addition to scheduled maintenance, we offer 24/7 emergency repair services and remote monitoring, allowing our technicians to quickly identify and address problems in real time. With Weld Power, you get a trusted partner dedicated to maximizing uptime and extending the life of your generator investment. Buying a generator is not a one-size-fits-all decision. It requires a clear understanding of your business's power needs, regulatory requirements, and business continuity goals. Partnering with an experienced provider who offers full project management, multiple equipment options, and long-term service support is the best way to ensure you get a generator system that protects your business, no matter what. Need help evaluating your options? Contact Weld Power Generator today to schedule a free site assessment and power needs consultation.